Hi, I wanted to quickly walk you through an executive operations dashboard I built to support founders and leadership teams. This system is designed to bring together decision making, priorities, and day-to-day operations into one clear view. So at the top here, you have the executive brief. This gives a quick weekly snapshot of what's happening, so key wins, risks, and most importantly, decisions that need attention. And just below that is the executive snapshot, which acts as a decision dashboard. It highlights things like decisions pending, blocked priorities, and escalations, so the executive immediately knows where to focus. I've also built in trend tracking so you can see how things are changing week on week, not just the current state. And at the top here, there are executive profiles which capture how each leader prefers to make decisions, their priorities, and key pain points, so support can be tailored effectively. And then all priorities are tracked with clear next actions so nothing stores or becomes ambiguous. Overall, the goal of this system is to reduce noise, improve clarity, and help executives move faster with better information. This is the kind of structure I bring when supporting high-level teams. I can tailor this system to fit your specific workflows and priorities. Thank you so much for paying attention to this short presentation. Goodbye for now.